So once again, I welcome on the class of Geotechnical Engineering first. So I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in the previous discussion, we have seen the introductory part, and after that I have discussed the origin of soil and types of soil on the basis of transporting agency. And after that I have discussed solid water relationship, and solid water air relationship we have seen the two-phase and three-phase system, and on the basis of that we have decided whether our soil is saturated, partially saturated or dry soil. And after that I have discussed some important definition like void ratio, porosity, percentage air voids, air content, degree of saturation, and specific gravity of solid, mass specific gravity of solid, and types of density of soil. In types of density of soil, I have discussed about 5 types of density or unit weight. The first one is submerged unit weight, saturated unit weight, bulk unit weight, and dry unit weight and unit weight of solid. So today I will discuss about the some important relationship between, or I will derive the some important relationship between total weight, weight of solid and water content, and in second relationship I will derive the relationship between uh, void ratio and porosity, and in third relationship I will derive the relationship between void ratio, water content, specific gravity of solid, and degree of saturation. And after that I will derive the relationship between bulk unit weight, specific gravity, void ratio, degree of saturation, and water content. And similarly I will derive the expression of dry density and submerged density. So today I will discuss about the some important relationship, some important relationship. So the first relationship between total weight of soil, weight of solid, and water content. What is the relationship between total weight of soil, weight of solid, and water content? So we know that total weight is equal to weight of water plus weight of solid, because weight of air is negligible. So if I common weight of solid, so it can be written as weight of water by weight of solid. So capital W can be written as WS into, and we know that ratio of weight of water to weight of solid is water content. So we can write WS is equal to capital W divided by 1 plus W. So this is the first relationship where WS is the weight of solid, capital W is the total weight of soil, and small w is the water content of the soil. If I write capital W is the total weight of soil, WS is the weight of soil solid, and small w is the water content. Now the second relationship I am going to derive, relationship between void ratio and porosity. So we know that porosity is equal to volume of void by total volume, or we can write volume of void by total volume can be written as volume of void plus volume of solid. So if I divide volume of solid on numerator and denominator, so we can write volume of solid divided by volume of void by volume of solid plus volume of solid by volume of solid. So porosity is equal to, and we know that volume of void by volume of solid is void ratio divided by 1 plus E. So there is another relationship between the porosity and void ratio. Similarly, we can derive E is equal to N by 1 minus N. So these important relationship we have to remember. Third relationship, that is relationship between void ratio, water content, degree of saturation, and specific gravity of solid. So we know that void ratio is equal to volume of void by volume of solid, or we can write volume of void by volume of water into volume of water by volume of solid, or we can write volume of void by volume of water into volume of water can be written as weight of water by unit weight of water, and similarly weight of solid by unit weight of solid, because we know that unit weight of water is equal to weight of water by volume of water, and similarly unit weight of solid is equal to weight of solid by volume of solid. So from here we have written, so we can write volume of void by volume of water into weight of water by weight of solid into gamma S divided by gamma W. So we know that volume of water by volume of void is degree of saturation. So we can write 1 by S into weight of water by weight of solid is water content into gamma S by gamma W is the specific gravity of solid. So we can write E into S is equal to W into G. So another important relationship where E is the void ratio, E is the void ratio, S is the degree of saturation, small w is the water content, and Gs or G is the specific gravity of solid. Similarly, the fourth relationship is relationship between bulk unit weight, comma, specific gravity of solid, void ratio, degree of saturation, and unit weight of water. So we know that bulk unit weight is equal to total weight by total volume, and total weight can be written as weight of water plus weight of solid divided by total volume can be written as volume of void plus volume of solid. If I take Ws common, so 1 plus weight of water by weight of solid divided by, if I take common volume of solid, so 1 plus volume of void by volume of solid. So unit weight can be written as Ws into 1 plus weight of water by weight of solid is water content divided by volume of solid 1 plus volume of void by volume of solid can be written as void ratio. Similarly, if I know specific gravity is equal to gamma S by gamma W, or we can write Ws divided by Bs into gamma W. So Ws by Bs we can write Ws divided by Bs, we can write Gs into gamma W. So in the previous equation, gamma B is equal to Ws by Bs. So we can write, let us assume this is our equation number first. So this is our equation number first. So putting the value of putting the value of Ws by Vs in equation first. So we can write gamma B is equal to Ws by Vs is equal to Gs gamma W into 1 plus W divided by 1 plus E, and gamma B is equal to Gs gamma W. We can write 1 plus W, we can write before uh, W is equal to, we know that we know that E into S is equal to W into G, W into G. So W can be written as ES by G. So ES by G divided by 1 plus E. So in the next we can write gamma B is equal to Gs gamma W into 1 plus WG, sorry, ES by G. If I ES by G divided by 1 plus E. So gamma B can be written as GS, this is also GS. So GS plus ES divided by 1 plus E gamma W. So the expression of bulk unit weight is G plus ES divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. So this is the expression of bulk unit weight, where gamma B is the bulk unit weight, G is the specific gravity of solid, and E is the void ratio, and S is the degree of saturation. Similarly, if I derive the another relationship, that is relationship between gamma sat G, E and gamma W. So we know that gamma sat is equal to weight of saturated divided by volume, and weight of saturated can be written as weight of water plus weight of solid divided by volume of void plus volume of solid. Once again I can write 1 plus weight of water by weight of solid divided by volume of solid if I take common. So 1 plus volume of void by volume of solid. So same thing here, gamma sat is equal to Ws into 1 plus W divided by Vs into 1 plus E, or we can write Gs gamma W 1 plus W divided by 1 plus E. Ws by Vs, uh, before the slide we have seen it is Gs gamma W. One thing here I am going to clear, we know that E into S is equal to Wg, and for the saturated soil, for saturated soil we know S is equal to 1, so we can write E is equal to W into G. Put the value of W, so W can be written as E by G. Put the value of W in equation with GS. So if I put the value of gamma sat is equal to GS gamma W 1 plus W divided by 1 plus E, or gamma sat is equal to GS gamma W. In place of W we can write E by GS divided by 1 plus E, or gamma sat is equal to GS plus E divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. So this is the final expression of saturated unit weight, where GS is the specific gravity of solid, E is the void ratio, gamma sat is the saturated density, and gamma W is the unit weight of water. Same thing we can also write. Just now I have derived the relations expression of bulk density, and bulk density is G plus ES divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. Now I am going to derive the expression of saturated density. So we know that for saturated soil S is equal to 1. Put the value of degree of saturation in the expression of bulk unit weight. So gamma bulk turns to gamma sat. So G plus E divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. Same expression I have derived in the previous slide. Similarly, if I am interested to know the expression of dry density. So for dry density, so in case of dry density or dry soil, the degree of saturation is equal to 0. Put the value of degree of saturation in the bulk density. So gamma B turns to gamma D is equal to G by divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. So this is the expression of dry density. You have to remember only one formula, that is the expression of bulk density. Once you know the expression of bulk density, you can derive the expression of saturated density and dry density by putting just the value of degree of saturation is equal to 1 in case of saturated soil, and in case of dry soil we have to put 0. The expression of submerged density can be written as, so in the previous discussion we have discussed that submerged density is the difference of saturated density minus unit weight of water. Expression of saturated density we have derived G by G plus E divided by 1 plus E into gamma W minus gamma W. So we can write G minus 1 into gamma W divided by 1 plus E. So this is the expression of submerged density, where gamma submerged is the submerged density, gamma W is the unit weight of water. Similarly, another relationship between dry density, bulk unit weight, and moisture content or water content. So gamma D is equal to gamma B divided by 1 plus W. So So this is the expression or relationship between dry density, bulk density, and degree of water content. Another relationship between gamma d, specific gravity, water content, percentage air voids. So we know that total volume of soil is equal to volume of solid plus volume of water plus volume of air. If I divide the total volume on both sides, so capital V by V is equal to volume of solid by total V plus volume of water by total V plus volume of air by total V. So we know that volume of air by total volume is the percentage air voids. So we can write 1 is equal to volume of solid by capital V plus volume of water by capital V plus percentage air voids. So we can write 1 minus percentage air voids is equal to volume of solid divided by capital V plus volume of water divided by capital V, or 1 minus Na. Volume of solid can be written as Ws by Gs gamma W divided by V plus volume of water can be written as weight of water by unit weight of water divided by capital V. So 1 minus Na is equal to Ws by capital V is the dry density. So gamma D divided by Gs gamma W plus weight of water by capital V is the weight of water by capital V is the, you can write weight of water can be written as W into Ws divided by gamma W into V, because we know that water content is equal to weight of water by weight of solid. So we can write 1 minus percentage air voids is equal to gamma D by Gs gamma W plus gamma D into water content divided by gamma W. So if I take common gamma D by gamma W, so it is 1 by Gs plus W. So gamma D can be written as 1 minus Na into Gs gamma W divided by 1 plus W into Gs. So this is the relationship between dry density, percentage air voids, specific gravity of solid, and water content. So the final expression gamma D is equal to 1 minus percentage air voids into G gamma W divided by 1 plus W into G. One thing I am clear that G and Gs is same. Sometimes I am writing G, sometimes I am writing G. So G and Gs is same. If I will write Gm, then it will be different from G, because Gm is the mass specific gravity and G or Gs is the specific gravity of solid. So where eta A is the already discussed percentage air voids, W is the water content, and rest of the things I know. So till now I have derived. So if I note or summarize the things, so first formula I have derived that is Ws is equal to capital W divided by 1 plus W. Second formula I have derived, that is eta is equal to E by 1 plus E. Third formula I have derived, E is equal to eta by 1 minus eta. Means void ratio is equal to porosity divided by 1 minus porosity. Similarly, fourth formula I have derived, that is E into S is equal to W into G. Very important. Fifth one is bulk unit weight is equal to G plus ES divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. And you have to put the S is equal to 1 for the saturated density. So gamma saturated is equal to, put the value of S is equal to 1, because in case of saturated soil the degree of saturation will be unity or 100%. So G plus E divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. So this is the expression of saturated density. Similarly, if I am interested to write the dry density, so dry density is equal to, put the value of degree of saturation in case of dry soil is 0. So it is G gamma W divided by 1 plus. So this is the expression of dry density. Similarly, if I write gamma D is equal to gamma B divided by 1 plus W. Dry density is equal to bulk density divided by 1 plus moisture content. Similarly, submerged density is equal to difference of saturated density minus unit weight of water, or if I write in terms of GNE, so submerged density is equal to G minus 1 into gamma W divided by 1 plus E is the expression of submerged density. And after that I have derived the dry density is equal to 1 minus 8 percentage air voids into G gamma W divided by 1 plus W into G. So these 12 expression we have to remember. With the help of that we can solve any question related to this. So dear student, today I have discussed about the important relationship, and the first relationship I have derived, that is the relationship between total weight of solid and water content, and the relationship was Ws is equal to capital W divided by 1 plus small w. Second relationship I have derived, that is the relationship between the void ratio and porosity. So porosity can be written in terms of void ratio E by 1 plus E, or void ratio can be written in terms of porosity, that is E is equal to N by eta by 1 minus eta. Third expression I have derived, that is relationship between void ratio, degree of saturation, water content and specific gravity of solid, that is ES is equal to W into G. Fourth expression I have derived, that is the expression of bulk density, and the bulk density expression was G plus ES divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. And similarly I have derived the expression of saturated density, dry density, submerged density by putting the value of S is equal to 1 in case of saturated soil, and the expression was G plus E divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. And if I am interested to derive the relationship or write the relationship of dry density by putting the value of S is equal to 0 in bulk density equation. So the expression of dry density was G divided by 1 plus E into gamma W, and the expression of submerged density can be computed by difference of saturated density and unit weight of water, and the expression was G minus 1 divided by 1 plus E into gamma W. Similarly, next expression I have derived, that is the relationship between dry density, bulk density and water content, and the expression was gamma D is equal to gamma B divided by 1 plus W. And the last expression I have derived, that is the relationship between dry density, percentage air voids, specific gravity of solid and W. And the expression was gamma D is equal to 1 minus eta A G gamma W divided by 1 plus W into G. So in the next class, I will solve some problem based on this expression, and after that I will start how to compute the water content in laboratory, and the various method I will discuss various laboratory method to compute the water content of the soil. So take care of health and happy learning.